Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the uses of energy in the body of humans, aerobic respiration, and word equation and balanced equation for aerobic respiration. Let us see what is respiration. Respiration is a chemical process that takes place in cells and involves the action of enzymes. It must not be confused with the process of breathing, which is also sometimes called as respiration. Respiration is the breaking down of food to release energy. Let us see what are the uses of energy in the body of humans. For the contraction of muscle cells, we need energy. For building up of proteins from amino acid, we need energy. For the process of cell division, to create more cells or replace damaged or worn out cells, or to make reproductive cells, we need energy. For the process of active transport involving the movement of molecules across a cell membrane against a concentration gradient, we need energy. And for the growth of an organism, and for the conduction of electrical impulses, and for maintaining the constant body temperature, we need energy. This energy comes from the food that cells take in. The food mainly used for energy in cells is glucose. The process by which energy is produced from food is called respiration. Let us see what is aerobic respiration. The chemical reactions in cells that use oxygen to break down nutrients to release energy is aerobic respiration or respiration in presence of oxygen. The word aerobic means that oxygen is needed for this chemical reaction. The food molecules are combined with oxygen. The process is called oxidation and the food is said to be oxidized. All food molecules contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The process of oxidation converts the carbon to carbon dioxide and hydrogen to water and at the same time sets free energy which the cell can use to drive other reactions. The word equation for aerobic respiration is glucose plus oxygen gives water plus carbon dioxide plus energy. The amount of energy you would get by completely oxidizing 180 grams of glucose to carbon dioxide and water is 2830 kilojoules. In the cells, the energy is not released all at once. The oxidation takes place in a series of small steps and not in one jump as the equation suggests. Each small step needs its own enzyme and each stage a little energy is released. Although the energy is used for the processes mentioned above, some of it always appears as heat. In warm-blooded animals, birds and mammals, some of this heat is retained to maintain the body temperature. Let us see the balanced equation for aerobic respiration. Sugar C6H12O6 plus oxygen O2 gives carbon dioxide CO2 and water H2O plus ATP molecules. To balance, we add here in glucose already 6 carbon atom is there. So we have to add in the product side 6. Then hydrogen 12. So along with water you have to add 6. And oxygen here 6 plus 6 plus 12. So 18 are there. So here we have to add 6 plus 6 plus 6, 12 plus 18. So C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP molecules. So please go through the questions and write the answers. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.